This is Engage New York, Module 2, Lesson 24. Read the objective while I read it out loud. I can divide decimal dividends by multiples of 10, reasoning about the placement of the decimal point and making connections to a written method. So we're going back to dividing decimals by multiples of 10 and then reasoning, your ability to reason, like I know the decimal is going to go here because I'm multiplying by 10. I'm moving my decimal in this direction. So just going back to what we already knew. But in order to begin, let's start with some fluency. You are going to rename the tenths and the hundredths. You are going to rename it by using a decimal. You're going to actually write the decimal out. Okay, on the back side, you are going to divide decimals. So you are going to have to just give me, this is basically what we've been doing when we're doing division, when we're doing the estimation. You know those estimation parts? This is what we've been doing in that estimation, okay? So you're finishing that. Then in our application problem, a longtime runner compiled her training distances in the following chart. Fill in the missing values. So, total number of miles run, number of days, how many miles she ran. So that looks like a little multiplication division trying to solve to fill in those totals, okay? Go ahead and begin. We'll come back and debrief in just a couple minutes. There you go. All right, let's go back and check our work. 0.9, 2.0, 9.5, 20.0, 65 or 65.0, 0.09, 0.20, 0.95. Here is 2. Here is 10. Here is 58.34. 1.0, 9.0, 10.0, 60.0, 65.7, 0.1, 0.9, 1, 9.5, 58, 28.34. So, how did you do? Okay. I would go back and rewatch the videos on this section if you're struggling. I mean, the videos are there for you. Also, there are other people on YouTube that do that really nicely too. Eureka Math. Okay. Okay. Now we have 3 ones, 3. 3 tenths, 0.3. 3 hundredths, 0.03. 4 tenths, 40. 4 hundredths, 400. 4 hundredths, 0.04, 4 hundredths. Then divide by 2-digit numbers. So your answer is 254, remainder 15. Then over here, 213, remainder 0. Then over here, we have 35. So you can see I did my division. 2.9, I did my division. This one I didn't need to do division because all I needed to do is move my decimal. Divide by 10, just move the decimal. Then 280.5, I just did the multiplication. So this you had to divide because here's your total. This is like length times width equals area, right? So you had to just divide to find the missing numbers here, and all you had to do is multiply to find the missing number here. Yes? Okay? So understanding how to get to those missing numbers is really important. Okay, that does it for fluency. We're going to move on to concept development. So come on back.